Good morning. We are going to Walmart. By the way, I've lost 180 pounds. I gained 20 of it back. So we're working on getting rid of that weight. So come on, let's go to Walmart together. Okay, guys, we're at the Walmart. So you're going to come shopping with me. And it's kind of fuzzy, ain't it? But I think it's just because you're looking through glass. Because see, that's okay. There's no glare on that. Anyway, you can tell it's 6:06 this morning. So let's go see what my Walmart's got available. Okay, here we go. I always start at the back of the store. So we go through all the aisles and you can kind of look down the aisle and see just how filled my Walmart aisles are at 6 o'clock in the morning. How are you?
Okay.
All right. I'm telling you, I love the morning people. People that work here in the mornings, they're so fun and so sweet. Okay, I've got my Lanta on my list. Oh, right here. I wish they had a smaller bottle. Do they? Oh, there's some up there, but what's the difference in this one? Value size, nighttime, Imodium, Lord, no. Well, we'll just grab this one. Wait a minute. No, it's not a multi-stomach. It's just a heartburn. Here, I'll just do this one. This is simple vanilla caramel. I bet it tastes nasty. Okay, I've been looking into what kind of things I might be lacking since I don't eat fish. And so I don't get any omega-3s. So I wanted to add some of that. So I've got something on my list. It's going to be down here. If I can find it. Let me see. It is a Nordic Ultimate Omega. And it's $22.90 something. Hey, looky here. We need some Sure deodorant. This is probably painful for some of you who have motion sickness to watch. Oh, look, the Easter candy's out. Lord, this used to be my favorite time because I love, and I will not let myself have any. It's the Cadbury, it's the little Cadbury mini eggs. Oh my gosh, those are to die for. I'm here for deodorant. Terry, focus on your shopping, not your talking. I'm out of my toothpaste, so we gotta come up here. Is it in this aisle? Yeah. My dentist, he always recommended the Pronamel. Oh, shoot, now they got all kinds of different kinds. Okay, Shield, extra fresh. As long as they're the same price, I don't care which one it is. They're all gonna be the same. Oh, yeah, no, there it is. Okay. Repair. Let's get to repair. I'm an old person. I need repair on my teeth. So somebody brought in some really good smelling Febrezes for the bathroom at work. And I like them and I want them for my house. So I guess it's this lilac scent. Well, it's purple. Hang on, I gotta get down here. Let's see, I don't see any purples in those. But I don't know if it's that one. Flavored Summer Golden Hour. I don't know. I doubt she got a fancy one. Yeah, it does smell like flowers, so I'm getting this, right? Cheer. That's what I'm getting. Next up, we gotta get my dog stuff. So they're not. So here's. Oh yeah, buddy. Hold on. I'm gonna stand here. This is the aisle of I don't know, a discount, so I'll be back. Okay, something for Lucky Charms. What in the world? Lucky Charms. Oh, toothpaste. That's cute. Okay, there's nothing on here that I just can't live without. Wait a minute. Kikkoman. Oh, sweet soy sauce. No, don't need that. Ooh, Better Goods. We don't need a cookie. Compression socks. Pro Advanced Equate, no. Okay, this, what I want to see. Oh, it's jelly. Okay. Aveeno baby lotion. No. Bath bomb. Okay, anyway, let's go to the dog stuff. Sorry. You know, I just get, what is that thing? A Heritage what? Oh, hot rollers. Nah, I got plenty of those. All right, I go into the dog section, but somebody's working. I'll be kind of quiet.
Oh, I just had 5 puppies.
You have 5 puppies? Oh, yeah. You got me beat, and I am so jealous. Oh, my gosh.
5 puppies, 3 adult dogs.
The guy who was working there, he's going home. He's got, because they work night shift here. Anyway, he's got, his dog had puppies. And so they're 6 weeks old. So he was telling me all about them. So, okay. So I get that and that. Yeah, anybody's going to talk about dogs or show me pictures of dogs, you know I'm going to be there. Okay, so now we're going to do, I want to try something now. I won't be necessarily trying it this week because I still have a bunch of meal stuff prep that I'm working through. But I want to try buying these 5 pound 80-20, and I'm going to portion them out into a day's worth. So I'll get to it. I'll tell you about it at some point, but that's why we're getting them. But my total for the day to spend is going to be, oh shoot, I took it off. Dang it, Terry. Well, anyway, I think I had about $30 extra if I see a yellow sticker that I want. It's like $30 or $40 extra that I could put. So, I know I'm walking fast, sorry. I want to get to the beef. Well, if I want to make my own whatchamacallums, but I don't. Well, alright, let me see something here. Okay, this is what I'm going to get. And these are 80-20s, so I don't know what's going to be the better deal because these are yellow stickers. Okay, $4.75 a pound, $5.27. It's just I don't know, 4.5 pounds, 80. Chuck ground beef is $21.36 each. So that doesn't tell me, I mean, saving doesn't tell me. So I'm just going to get these. I know what I budgeted, so let me get 4 of these. Hang on. Okay. Ground chuck beef. So I am going to pick up a couple of these yellow stickers of these 80-20s. No, I'm not going to grab any steaks today. Just not going to do it. Nothing has a yellow sticker. And no, what's this one up here? Oh, it's a stir fry. No. So I don't really want a steak today. I want to try some ground beef. Okay, next up is I get whipping cream for the puppy dogs. Yes, I know. I do take bites of it myself. I get 1, 2, 3 of those. And I'm going to get a couple eggs. Yeah, I'm going to get 2 of these large eggs. I don't know how much they are. For $3. $3. Okay, we got our 2 eggs up here. That's how our cart's looking. Now we're gonna go up and get some peanut butter. I think there might have been a worker there, so I just gonna have to be quiet. No, you're fine, you're fine. I'm gonna get these. How many do I have on my list? 8. Now listen, I know I keep saying I'm gonna go to Sam's because it's cheaper. And it is cheaper. But I just ain't taking I ain't taking multiple trips, y'all. I just ain't doing it. So I'm getting 8. Hang on, I'll get them in just a second. Okay, so they're $2.56 each. So I got 8. Now, hopefully they won't fall through. I gotta get some Rayo's marinara sauce. Before I do, I'm gonna check this. I'm gonna take this and compare it to the Rayo's. So hold on. Okay, so the calories are half. Total carbs are 8 in this one, 7 in this one, 1 fiber, 2 fiber, total sugar 6, total sugar's 4. Okay, well there we go, so never mind. Okay, so we're getting Rayo's. Also need some parm sauce. Need more coffee. Does a person ever have enough coffee? Like, seriously? Okay, so I want 2 of these. There's no such thing as enough coffee or too much coffee, although I have not had any this morning. Okay, easy cheese is coming up. So Sammy gets medication every night with his meal. And so in order to get him to, actually twice a day, so in order to get him to just lick it right on down, I drop a pill into his bowl and I squirt some easy cheese on it. Well, I can't squirt easy cheese on one dog and not the other dog, so there's that. So I get 3 of those easy cheeses. And yeah, I take some squirts myself. Don't be all judgy McJudgerson. I ain't about the pure life. That just ain't me. I ain't about that pure life, because look what I do. So it has cherry, strawberry, watermelon, lemonade, and grape. Let's see the other one. Hang on. This one might be interesting. I'm going to try it. Mermaid. Wait a minute. That doesn't say sugar-free. Well, they're not sugar-free. No wonder I like them so much. But anyway, so yeah, there we go. I'm getting that pack. Y'all know I ain't a purist, so I do the best I can with what I got. Holy smokes, they moved their Zevia and they have too many flavors to choose. Oh my gosh. What is that flavor? Orange, peaches and cream. I'm gonna cry. I don't know which one to get, y'all. I think I'm gonna get 2 of them. I told you I had extra to spend, so this is gonna be a splurge. Hang on. So ours, I see a root beer, and I know they have cream. I think down there is like a lemon lime kind of thing, like I guess their version of Sprite. And this one is like a Dr. Zevia root beer, cola. Whatever this is, orange and something. Orange creamsicle, yes. And then peaches and cream. So yeah, so we're gonna try those. Like I said, I ain't a purist. Don't be judging me. Keep your opinions to yourself. Okay, I need Greek yogurt and some milk, cottage cheese. You guys, I totally did it without you. So I got a 2% Fage Greek yogurt, and I needed a 4% cottage cheese, and they have large curd and small curd, so we're going to try the difference. So this is the large curd. Mommy, I think, is used to buy small curd, and this is small curd, so we're going to try them both and see what we think. So that is the end of our shopping. Let's see, I think that's the last on my list. Come on, Terri, get it together. Yep. Okay, that's the end of it. So I'll meet y'all at the checkout. I always get however much below my budget is, I get that cash out for myself. So that's why I didn't want to buy too many extra things. Okay, bye. Well, there's our cart. So I go to Walmart on payday. I just buy. I'm never out of things because I'm a hoarder. So I don't really have the issue of where I need to go because I'm out of something. Very rarely. Once in a while, but very rarely. So, I'm overstocked on my, I'm overstocked on my toilet paper and paper towels. So I did not get any of those today. And my puffs. I'm definitely overstocked on my puffs. So we didn't get any of those. So my cart looks a little bit empty. Don't it look pitiful, y'all? But look, that's where we go, to the Walmart market. Oh, the clouds look nice behind it. Didn't it look beautiful? It's so cold out there. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so with what I bought today, the total of the food was like $360. Okay. And so that was below what I have budgeted between food and pool. So that means I take out enough cash to my budget, and then I have cash that I'll have because pool is $20 a week or $10 depending on how many games you play. I just played one this week and last week. So anyway, look at that hair. I'm looking a little bit chaotic. Anyway, a little bit like Einstein. I don't think like Einstein, but you know, he had that hair. Doggies. And this is no wonder. There's a different guy, and he was like up around the self-checkout aisle. And I said, "Where's Josh?" Because Josh is the one and he was like, "He's down there." I'm like, "Okay." I said, "You know, we customers don't like changes, and I'm used to seeing him stand up here on Saturdays." He was like, "Yeah, he's over there." Young kid. And here I go looking like, why? Can you imagine what this little kid thought? He probably looked like he was like maybe 20. He's probably like, "Oh, Josh, your weird lady's here." Anyway, yeah, so that was my Walmart adventure. But I got everything I needed. Everything was good. Yeah, so, you know, I used to bring it home and show y'all at home. But Lori FNM Lifestyle, you got to watch her if you don't. Lori FNM Lifestyle. She takes us along on her shopping hauls. And it really, at first I was like, it was all awkward and stuff. But it's easier to bring you along where I can show you what I'm getting and just how my store looks and all that stuff. That's kind of easier to do. I'm terrible. It's about me, didn't you know? It's easier to do. Anyway, all right, I'm just jibber jabbering. I love y'all. Thanks for coming with me to Walmart. Bye.